You know you reached the big time when J.R. Randall's actually shooting your videos after working hours on a Tuesday night. It's a little after 6. He should have been gone about an hour ago, but he's actually here for a recording session with Ben Urso and Carl Zacharia after we get done with this video and before we head to the Chafin Lahana Law Firm studios for another edition of Zacharia Brown. But being that I have some time with Carl Zacharia, sir, I've come up with the top misconceptions about power of attorney. 1, you can sign a power of attorney if you're legally incompetent. No, someone can sign a power of attorney or any legal document for that matter only if they are legally competent to do so. Fact or fiction?
Fact. That's the way it is.
All right. Number 2, you can find power of attorney document on the internet. Yes, you can, but one should never get power of attorney on the internet, and tell everybody why that is.
Well, because Pennsylvania has some very specific requirements. That there's a notice page and an acknowledgement page, and I can tell you some funny stories about people that have.
And he'll do that tonight on the radio.
Yes.
Number 3, misconceptions when it comes to power of attorney. A power of attorney grants the agent the right to do what they please with your estate. The agent under a power of attorney always has an overriding obligation, commonly known as a fiduciary obligation, to make decisions that are in the best interest of the principal, the person who named the agent under the power of attorney. Fact or fiction?
Well, it is fact that they have to act in a fiduciary manner and do as you state in the power of attorney, and they can't do what they please.
All right, there is one standard power of attorney, and Ben Urso filled me in on this the other day, and I was kind of shocked to find out, but the principal determines the type of powers to grant their agent in the power of attorney document, which is why it should be drafted by an experienced attorney.
That is correct.
That covers the principles under that situation, right?
Yes, and there's as many different powers of attorney in terms of the language and the way they read as there are snowflakes.
But the majority of people only really one power of attorney?
Well, there's one for finances, and there's one for healthcare. One goes to your doctor in the hospital, one goes to the bank and the financial companies.
Last one, misconceptions about power of attorney. A durable power of attorney survives death. All powers of attorney terminate on death, so it follows that once a person has passed away, the authority granted to the agent under the power of attorney, done, terminates.
That is correct.
PittsburghElderLaw.com. What are we going to do tonight?
We're going to talk about some exciting issues.
866-391-1020. Dollar Bank Instant Access, KDKRadio.com, or you can text us on the Right Automotive line. Zacharia Brown, tonight, KDKA Radio. Good evening.